We are very eager to get started, but I'm going to start with reminding people about our particular approach that we invite people to practice when they join us for a workshop. And that is what we call the frame of appreciative inquiry. I'm going to make this very quick because there's lots of information on the website that you can see. I'm going to share my screen and show you this beautiful picture that Mara Aligich found that illustrates what we mean by a frame of appreciative inquiry. That is the spirit of coming into our workshop with a sense of curiosity, a sense of awe and wonder to cultivate a mutually dignifying learning community. Just to be clear, this is not about being nice or happy talk. It's about coming together with a real desire to understand through curiosity and having an open heart. And that begins with putting relationships first. When we talk about relationships, we really emphasize the value and the importance of listening each other into voice. So everyone has an opportunity to share and contribute to the workshop throughout this time together. But why do we put those relationships first? Well, we all know in our community that we're always working with an elephant in the room, and that is the experience of humiliation. And we will make mistakes, we'll step on each other's toes, and we'll get tongue-tied, we'll mispronounce names, all sorts of things, but we've learned over the years that we can help each other up and stumble forward together. And that's how we've been able to move forward as a Digna community, as Chipamang Chowdhury would say, a dignity community. And this year, we have an amazing group of people from so many locations around the world with us. We're delighted to have you here. And the appreciative approach is one of the cornerstones that has helped us have meetings throughout the world, bringing voices together to work on these very difficult and complicated problems that need our attention to reduce humiliation and promote equal dignity throughout the world. So that's the appreciative frame, and it is a cornerstone of our work together that's helped us keep moving forward for the last 18 years.